Hello everyone, welcome to the classes of soft skill. Let's begin to know something new today. So today in the chapter of soft skill, we are going to know about social media and etiquettes. So let's see what is social media and etiquettes. What new we are going to know about. So in this chapter, we are going to know about what is social media. And I guess I do not need to describe what is social media because every day we are surrounded by our life is incomplete without social media. So what is social media is all about? Social media is an internet based community which is connected, a community which is formed in internet and such as WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Twitter or Instagram. All this are social media, a media which helps you to socialize, a community which is formed in internet. It also includes like Wikipedias, wikis and web forums. And what else we can say? That however the term is most often used to describe popular social networking website which includes, as I've said, Facebook. Facebook, as we know, an online community which allows individual users to create personal profile and to interact, like they share pictures, they write their statuses, write and post videos in their timelines, and can communicate, like make friends to new people whether from their country or other countries. Then comes a Pinterest. What is Pinterest? Pinterest is an online community which helps to create, which gives you creative ideas, like through pictures, through GIF. You can pin those things in your profile or download it, and can draw by seeing those picture, or like can get creative ideas through it. So Pinterest is very helpful for the people who wants to learn whether photography, whether cooking, or whether like anything, or like creating image. So Pinterest is a very helpful online community for the creative artist. Then comes the LinkedIn. So what is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a professional networking website. So LinkedIn is what? Is a professional network, like networking website. It helps to create your own resume and connect with top companies, all the companies. You can communicate, you can tell about your interest and seek a job through that um, online social community. Then comes a Twitter. Yes, tweet. A Twitter is an internet service that allows people to publish quick updates, like whether you see a current scheme of government or anything which is happening right now. You feel you are free to write, publish your update, like as soon as possible you want to, and that post of update is known as tweeting. And I guess everybody knows what Twitter does to our life. And there is also Instagram, where you can upload pictures, IGTV, and can like lot of nowadays lot of challenges are going on. So I think like social media, we all know what a social media is all about. And the growth of social media has also lead to another new industry. Like the growth of social media has also, like the social media which we know is a very basic knowledge, like Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, but it is actually very more interesting. Like it is a very big industry of social media marketing. Like social media is a place where marketing take place. Marketing means right now the promotional methods of all the products, whether it is a clothing or it is a food item or car or anything, we can see their advertisement coming in our social media. So the old thing like coming in the television, or like on newspaper, or you can say pamphlets, are now a bit older. So the newest way of marketing is social media marketing. like they, like whenever you buy a product, they always, you can see, like they always say follow us in Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. So you can see, so social media is not only a place where you communicate, you post a picture, you make friends, but it is also a very big place for marketing your products. So social media is a very big uh, place which we find uh, as a thing, but actually it is more than that what we know about social media. Next is, what is etiquettes? So what is netiquettes? Let's see what is netiquettes. Netiquettes is nothing but the internet etiquettes. So what is etiquettes? Etiquettes means a code of polite behavior in the society, like the behavior we do in our society, the polite kind of behavior is known as etiquettes. So the etiquettes which is done in internet, we jointly known as netiquettes. So why, like whenever we are chatting, online chatting or social media, like we are communicating with people or writing an email or web forum, there are also many unwritten codes of etiquettes which is very important. Let's see more about internet and their netiquettes. The internet provides a sense of anonymity, since you often do not see that, hear that people. It doesn't makes, like in internet you may not see the people or you may not hear the people, but that doesn't means that you should not write properly or like communicate to that person properly. Like many people, while writing a comment in somebody's photograph or somebody's video, they write anything whatever they want, because they feel like the other person cannot see you. So that is not the way you should react in a social media platform, because social media is our part of our daily life. So it is our life, a part of our daily life. So if in our daily life etiquette is important, then we should also remember that in internet netiquette is important. Whether you can see that member or not, whether you can hear that member or not, whenever you are taking your keyboard and or your smartphone and tapping in your mobile and writing anything impolite and not a proper manner to how you socialize, always remember that that is also a society and you should be polite to people. So netiquette is all about social etiquette. Just the society is virtual doesn't means that you have all the like you should forget all your manners and you start behaving like rather as like impolite person. So from the next time whenever you are commenting somebody's picture or writing something, please be sure that you are using your netiquettes. So what are the rules of social netiquette? So there are some unwritten rules which I am going to open you up today. So what are the rules of social netiquette? So there are total five social media netiquettes. First is, remember the human. Like anyone, whether you can see or not, they have posted anything, whether a thought or a picture or a video or anything, that is been done by a human. So never forget that. And to a human, but we interact or we communicate through a computer, but that doesn't mean that they have become a computer. They are definitely a human. So remember how to communicate with them properly in a polite manner. Like whatever you feel like, you should not write like slangs or using any kind of bad words, because if that person was in front of you, whether would you have done like put it a slang on his face indirectly? So whenever you are communicating with the people directly in a social media through a computer, just remember that the other person you are writing in a keyboard or you're using a smartphone to comment that people or chatting with them doesn't make them a computer. So you should be aware of your etiquettes. Avoid flames means like stop criticizing, like, or direct attacks, or like use strong words. You should not use strong words or personal criticism, like you look black, or you are fat, or what like something like very harsh word you should not use. And direct attack you should not do in social media, because that is what netiquette is all about. Netiquette means politeness. Whatever you are writing, it shows your character, it shows your nature, because after all, the person who is going to see is actually a person, not a computer. Next, we are going to know avoid shouting, like stop shouting. Like whenever you are writing something in caps, that shows that you are trying to shout and speak. So stop shouting, like asterisks or like underlining. So try to not use uppercase like caps lock thing, because it emphasizes that you are trying to shout something. Then comes not a homework center. Why it is not a homework center? Because social media is not a place where you can get the information from. Suppose you want to know about any actor, maybe a Kareena Kapoor, suppose. So for Kareena Kapoor, all the information the information you will get from social media is not actually an information. You should go somewhere else to gather up the information, but not social media. Social media is for communicating people, but not for your homework. Homework means gathering information. So whatever, like nowadays WhatsApp University, what we are talking about, WhatsApp is not a university from where you can get the information. Like that is not a homework place. You might get information from any news agency or newspaper, but not social media. So it is also an etiquette. Then comes the composition protocols. Then there are particular like online, when you are writing any kind of messages, you should be aware of your grammatical things, and you should be like use your punctuation and spellings properly, because there are some composition protocol. Suppose you want to write how are you, and you wrote something like you write a spelling mistake, or you made a question mark, and like you made a exclamatory sign instead of question mark, then entire writing changes, like the meaning of the writing changes. So whenever you are writing, so it is very important to be very particular about your grammar, be careful about your spellings and your composition of your messages. So that was all for social media and etiquettes. I hope you like this subject, like this video, and if you like it, you know what next to do. Share and subscribe. Thank you.